Hi guys, welcome to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So today in this video I will be unboxing the mobile LG G8 X ThinQ. So we will be getting the dual screen with it. So in this video I will going to unbox this mobile. And friends, before going to the video, still if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So friends, I got this mobile for the 20k. So now let's open the box. So first of all, so I will open it. So once you open it, so as you can see here, we will be seeing the LG dual screen, and also we will be getting the 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM, and this is the festival limited edition. So I got it for only for the 20,000. So as you can see here, now let's open the box. So let us see what are the contents available in the box also. So once you open the box, you can see the mobile, so LG G8 X ThinQ. So let us keep aside and let us see what are the things are available in the box. And friends, the quality also really good. So LG branding over here, and let us open the box. So let us see what are the contents available in the box. So here, as you can see here, we got the USB cable. So this is a USB cable and we won't get any power adapter. And also friends, we got the earphone. So as you can see here, we got the wired earphones and also the earbuds, extra earbuds over here. So here we got the some quick start guide. So as you can see here, these are the two quick start guide. So and also we got the case, so transparent case for the LG G8 X mobile, so where we can use for the single screen. So if you want to use the single screen, you can just mount it here, so like this, and you can use the single screen. So if you want to use the dual screen, you can remove it and you can connect to the other case. So I will show you how you can connect it also. So this is a dual screen, so you can use with this. So if you want to use this, we have to remove. So first of all, let us open this dual case also. So as you can see here, the dual screen over here. So let us open this. So as you can see here friends, so we will be getting the 3 screens totally here. So here we will be displaying the time and all. So inside you will get another screen over here. So as you can see here, so the quality of the case is also really good. So at this budget, they're really good. So if you want to use the dual screen, so as you can see here, you want to remove this case. So let us remove the case first of all. So once you remove the case, so there is an LG branding cover, so protecting cover. Let us remove it. So as you can see here, the front camera and the speaker gear and also the cable. So the charger will be supporting for the 18 volts. So as you can see here, the volume rockers, and this is a Google Assistant. So you can just press this button, and also the power button over here. The quality of the mobile is really good friends. So as you can see here, it will come with the dual camera. So let us boot the device. So let's talk about some of the specification of the mobile. So this mobile will come with the 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. So where we will be getting with the 6.4-inch full HD display friends. So where we will be getting the 12MP plus 13 plus 32 front camera, and also we will be getting with the 4000 mAh battery with a single battery, and the processor is 855 quad core, octa core processor. And also there are so many lot of really exciting things, so where you can do the multiple tasks like pro, and also supported for the dual screen and also 360 degree. So once you boot the device, so as you can see here, the display over here, so the display is really good friends. So and also the build quality also good. So let us input here. So as you can see here, so here is a cable, so USB. So just you need to insert like this. So as you can see here, so once you insert the mobile, so you will be getting the dual screen option. So once you insert the mobile, you will get like this. So if you want to charge the mobile, so as you can see here friends, so this is a flip. So let us see this. So as you can see here, 360 degree it will be available, so you can flip the mobile. So as you can see here, once you close the screen, so you will be getting time over in this display. So we can think as this is the third display for it. So this is a super mobile friends at this segment. So let us test the fingerprint also. So let us see. So as you can see here, the fingerprint also really good. It works really good. So as you can see here, both the displays are on. So if you want to do the multitasking, you can do the multitasking also. So you can just, as you can see here, so you can just open anything. You can chat over here and you can watch the YouTube. So now I will connect to my Wi-Fi and I will show you. So you can do the any multitasking friends. So really it is good. So you can just use this like if you want to watch the videos, you can watch this in this display, and if you want to chat, if you want to browse anything, you can use it over here. So as you can see here, so if you want to do the multitasking, the screens are really helpful for you. And also there are some broadways over here, so third party applications. So if you want to delete it, so let us try this. So let us try with the Facebook. So let us go so for the info and let us click on uninstall, and also so as you can see here, the third party applications also we can install. So inbuilt apps. So let us go to the settings, and also as you can see here, system. So as you can, software updates. So let us check updates. So update is available presently, so I will do it later. So once you get the mobile, you can just update the mobile friends. So you will be getting so update. So let us go to the about phone section and let us see what are the versions are available in the phone. So as you can see here, so out of the box we will be getting the Android 10. So you may expect up to Android 12 version. So it is a good thing. So when we compare to the other mobile, so it will become directly with the iPhone like for the Android 10. So you can see here, so you can search our YouTube channel. So protect one. So as you can see here, so we can play any the So as you can see here, we can do the multitasking over here like this. So if you want to text with anyone, you can text it from here also. So as you can see here, so I will play the music also once. So and also friends, there will be so many gestures are available for this. So you can just use that gestures also. So if you want this video in this screen means, so just you can swipe like this. So as you can see here, so and also you can just flip the screen and you can just really friends, the sound quality also really good. So you can just go through this mobile. So and also if you want to charge this mobile, so as you can see here, there is a magnetic charger. So if you are using the dual screen and if you want to charge the mobile, so you can see here, so the magnetic charger you can just input over here. And also if you want to, so the magnetic also really good. Everything is working fine friends. So as you can see here, the mobile is perfectly working fine, and you can see the another screen over here. You can see the dual screen here, and also the fingerprint also working really good. So all the mobile is very much good friends. So as you can see here, the all the camera and also every department is working fine, and at the 20k budget, this is the best mobile. So you can wait for the offer. So if my price may increase, so you can wait for offer and you can get it for the 20k. So at the 20k budget segment, the mobile the specifications are really amazing. So along with the mobile friends, we will be getting the charger cable. So we won't get any adapter, we will be getting the charger cable. So here, and also we will be getting the magnetic cable, and also we will be getting the earphone. So as you can see here, the earphone quality also really good. So as you can see here, and also we will be getting the extra buds. So as you can see here, the earphone. So with all the mobiles we are not getting the earphones, so with this mobile we can get the earphones also in the box. So the minus thing is we won't get the power adapter with this. So the as you can see here, the quality of the earphones. So and friends, this is the best mobile at 20k budget. So if the price also may increase so later, so if you want to take the mobile, you can take the mobile in the offer. So you will be getting the 20k budget. So at the 20k budget, the mobile is amazing, you can go through it. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.